Alright, so in this video we're starting a new series, and this is on AUC Section 230 about audit documentation. And the text of this AUC section comes from SAS numbers 122, 123, and 128. We also have an interpretive section, 9230, which we might make reference to throughout these videos. And this AUC Section 230 is effective for the audits of financial statements for periods ending on or after December 15, 2012. And about the scope of this section, we see that AUC Section 230 addresses the auditor's responsibility to prepare audit documentation for an audit of financial statements. And it looks like there's an exhibit in this that will help us link these requirements to the requirements of other AUC sections that have documentation requirements. We should also make note that these other AUC sections might give us additional requirements for documentation, and so will other laws, regulations, or standards. They might give us more documentation requirements as well. So we can't just look to this section as the end-all be-all of audit documentation. We need to consider other AUC sections as well as other laws, regulations, and other standards. So let's go down to, we're going to skip this and maybe address this in the next video because there's some specific stuff there. But we want to take a look at the objective of AUC Section 230, and that is our overarching goal in following AUC Section 230 is that we prepare documentation that provides a sufficient and appropriate record of the basis for the auditor's report. And also, this documentation should provide evidence that the audit was planned and performed in accordance with GAAS and applicable legal and regulatory requirements. So this is what we're hoping to accomplish by following the standards within this AUC Section 230. So let's hop into the requirements.